So, kamusta ang buhay magkasama?
Super happy.
Amazing and blessed.
Yeah, kasi tapos na kami sa sa mag-jowa plan, ganyan, planning, relax na kami ngayon. And ang pinaka-successful talaga is yung legal na kami.
Yes, indeed.
May adjustments wala kayo sa bahay since you guys know parang legally na rin kayo
Yeah, I feel like there's more intimacy. Kasi legal na nga, so mas intimate yung relationship, you get to know each other at a different level.
And also parang actually not big adjustment talaga. Dahil ikaw naman talaga from the beginning talagang parang nasisimula na yung family planning and everything kung paano kami sa araw-araw na buhay namin. Ayun lang.
So, pag-uusapan ng future, nagbabalak din mo kayo magkaroon ng syempre sa inyong sariling baby?
Yes,
One
naman.
day in the future.
Yeah.
One day
Abangan
in the
natin yung lahi namin. Sayang naman to. Napatunayan ko na yung lahi ko. Gusto ko ng mahaluan. Mahaluan.
Yeah.
How do you appreciate your husband as a father to your kids?
Actually, na-appreciate ko siya every day kung paano, hindi lang as a father, as my partner, as a human also. Kasi sobrang blessed ako to have him. Very man of God and I'm so blessed. Yun lang.